This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to add a table to WordPress's default editor, and what you're going to need to do is get an add-on plugin for this. So I'm going to show you what that is. If we go to my plugins right here, alright, and if I scroll down, I'm going to see Tiny Mce Advanced. This is the plugin that you're going to need to get. If you type in that name, it should pop up. Just enable it, and what this does is it enables advanced features and plugins for the Tiny Mce, which is the WordPress visual editor that is default with WordPress. So if I go into, after you've enabled it, if I go into, I'm just going to go into a post here. All right, and so this is my post. What I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to add a new block to this. And what you're going to use is you're going to use the classic paragraph block. So if I click into this, if I go to, if I go into the block itself, you're going to see the table icon right here. And this is where you can add a table. So say I wanted to add a table that was this big. So there's my table. You can customize it further by, bolding some text, adding some text color, adding a background color, etc. If you go into the table tab, you can see your table properties where you can change, the width, the height. You can add a border. You can add alignment, etc. So you have all the functionality that you would need to customize your table right from this editor. If you wanted to customize it further, maybe through CSS, all you would need to do is go to the three dots right here, go to edit as HTML, and then you can see the code that's in place for this table. What you would need to do is you would go to table right before the style tag and do table class =, quotation mark, whatever name you want to give your table. And there you go. Now I've added a class to this table. So all I would need to do is simply go into my additional CSS feature in WordPress through the Appearance Customize tab, add my new table, which would be a period new -table, and then add my CSS right there, and it will customize this table further to your preferences. And that is how you add a table through the default WordPress builder on WordPress. I hope that helps you guys, and have a great day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.